Directive Principles of State Policy 19 articles, dozens of ideals. But UPSC doesn't ask all of them. It strikes only the hotspots. Number one, enforceability. Number two, the principles which are Gandhian, liberal, or intellectual. The welfare state concept, the amendments, and sectoral hooks. And when you layer PYQs with practice test questions from www.askuki.com, you see a clear examiner's playbook. Let's decode that in today's Polity thematic sprint for UPSC Prelims 2026, what this theme of DPSP holds for us. UPSC's pattern is sharp, not random. Look at the PYQs. The welfare state concept, asked in 2015, 2020, 2021, repeatedly asked where the idea is anchored. Many jump at preamble, but the real answer is DPSP. This is a classic trap. The questions around enforceability 2015 and 20 directly tested whether DPSPs are binding. They are not enforceable in courts, but they are fundamental for governance. Examiner's way of checking your conceptual clarity. The third bit about Gandhian principles in 2012, panchayats and cottage industries were asked. UPSC does not want article numbers marked up. It wants you to see the classification. The 42nd Amendment editions is the another hotspot. 2017 tested workers' participation in industries. Why? Because amendments are examiners' favorite hotspot. The sectoral hooks, international peace in 2014, the judiciary versus executive separation in 2020, the questions around education related to DPSP in 2012, these look like diverse topics, but all trace back to DPSP. So, in the past decade, DPSP questions cluster around five hotspots: welfare state, enforceability, Gandhian principle, amendments, and sectoral hooks. That's your 80 by 20 rule for DPSPs. Let's see how practice questions from www.askuki.com sharpen your hotspots. Number one, the questions were around purpose of DPSP. The practice questions were centered whether this DPSP is centered for political democracy or social and economic democracy. Of course, the correct answer is social and economic democracy. This links back to the welfare state hotspot we saw in PYQs. The second area of practice questions were around the borrowed source. The PSP is from the Irish Constitution. This isn't asked in recent UPSC PYQs, but the practice questions ensure you won't fumble if UPSC revives it. The third area was on the non justiciable nature of DPSPs. Practice repeats to drill this in. DPSPs guide, they don't enforce, reinforces the ideas of the PYQ asked consecutively in 2015 and 2020. The area of equal pay for equal work, a practice gem. It sits in DPSP Article 39D, but through case law, Supreme Court upgraded it into a fundamental right. Examiner loves these overlaps. The classification mix-ups which check whether you know the difference between FR, DPSP and duties. These are match the following style practice questions. Even the subclassification of DPSPs into the three categories. The amendment editions practice questions highlight 42nd Amendment inclusions, free legal aid, worker participation, child protection, DPSPs around environment. This is the same hotspot the UPSC had already touched in the PYQs. The environment and duties link show how DPSP Article 48A and Fundamental Duty Article 51A are speaking about environment. UPSC also tested this in 2019. The trick amendments practice checks whether you know which provision were not added by 42nd Amendment. This guards against examiners' odd one out questions. The DPSP around international peace Article 51. So such practice is not random. It mirrors PYQs and extends them into conceptual classification and application zones. This double layering is how you stay exam proof. So here's your sprint formula for DPSP prep. Number 1, start with PYQs. Mark the 5 hotspots. The hotspots are welfare state, enforceability, Gandhian principles, amendments, and sectoral hooks. Number 2, layer this with practice. Use questions on source, classification, overlaps with FR duties, the amendment inclusions. Number 3, make a one pager. Write DPSP equates to social and economic democracy. Plus your 5 hotspots. Revise them daily in your polity sprint phase with us at UK. This ensures you just don't know the DPSPs, you know exactly how the UPSC examiner expects them. In this polity thematic sprint, we'll repeat this approach for every theme: fundamental rights, duties, DPSPs, parliament, judiciary, and so on. One hotspot at a time, one trap at a time. So, by prelims 2026, you're not revisiting or revising blindly. You're revising as per the examiner's mind. That's the edge we're building together at Yuki. See you until next time.